Spyfinder, your ultimate hidden camera detector. In today's world, hidden cameras can be found almost anywhere: dressing rooms, locker rooms, hotel rooms, and even public restrooms. These devices invade privacy by recording everything without consent. The biggest challenge is that they are often expertly concealed, making them difficult to spot. Spyfinder is a compact and highly effective gadget designed to locate hidden cameras effortlessly. With the press of a button, 6 powerful LEDs emit a red light that reflects off camera lenses, even those cleverly disguised. By looking through the Spyfinder's viewfinder, users can easily detect these reflections, revealing hidden surveillance devices. The device features adjustable light intensity, ensuring cameras can be found regardless of room size. It has an impressive detection range of up to 13 meters and can even spot cameras that are turned off, as their lenses still reflect light. Priced at $200, Spyfinder is a must-have for personal security and privacy protection. Sergo Wayne G007, a compact and powerful hidden camera. The Sergo Wayne G007 is a versatile mini spy camera, ideal for personal security, surveillance, and even drone use. Priced at just $29.99, this device offers full HD 1080p clarity, capturing 12-megapixel photos with a 140-degree wide-angle lens. Equipped with 6 invisible LEDs, it provides night vision up to 16 feet, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. This compact camera features motion detection recording and can operate 24/7 while charging. Its 16-minute battery life allows for flexible use, and with loop recording, it ensures continuous footage by overwriting old files when the storage is full. Weighing only 0.35 ounces, the G007 is discreet and easy to conceal, making it a perfect tool for gathering evidence undetected. Whether you're a private investigator, security-conscious individual, the Sergo Wayne G007 is a powerful yet affordable solution for all your surveillance needs. TR006RC, a tiny yet powerful mini drone. If you find it difficult to imagine the size of these tiny drones, think of splitting your smartphone in half. That's roughly the size of the Tech RC TR006RC. Measuring just 7 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters high, this compact drone packs impressive features despite its small frame. The manufacturer has designed the TR006RC with 3 flight modes, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. It serves as a fun toy for children while also providing hours of entertainment for professionals who enjoy maneuvering these devices. Equipped with a built-in camera, the drone captures high-quality photos and videos. It has a maximum flight height of 3 meters and a range of 15 meters. Additionally, its durability allows it to perform aerial tricks with ease. Priced at just $25, the TR006RC offers an exciting and affordable drone experience for all skill levels. Stinger, advanced radar and laser blocking technology. Every spy movie features a high-speed chase, but in reality, avoiding speed detection requires smart technology. That's where the Stinger team comes in, offering state-of-the-art radar and laser blockers for those willing to invest in top-tier protection. For the best coverage, the 2-in-1 model is the ultimate choice. It effectively blocks both laser and radio frequencies while featuring a built-in GPS to detect stationary police radar systems. Users can conveniently access the latest Stinger Spot List database through the company's website, ensuring up-to-date protection. Designed for ease of use, the system includes a touchscreen display and voice prompts for seamless operation. Whether you're a tech-savvy driver or simply looking for added security on the road, Stinger delivers cutting-edge technology to keep you one step ahead. The 2-in-1 Stinger system is available for approximately $3,200, making it a premium choice for advanced driving protection. H123 DX4 Jet, high-speed racing drone. The H123 DX4 Jet by American company Hobson is an affordable racing drone priced at $175, delivering hours of thrilling aerial fun. Capable of performing 360-degree rolls and flips in any direction, this drone is designed for high-speed maneuvering. Equipped with a 720p camera, it records and transmits real-time images, offering an immersive first-person flying experience. The drone operates up to 100 meters away from the user and boasts a maximum flight time of 10 minutes. One of its standout features is its incredible speed, soaring at 25 meters per second, 90 km per hour. Despite its compact size, its carbon-layered frame ensures durability, protecting internal components even in case of collisions. With fast flight, agility, and robust protection, the H123 DX4 jet is a perfect choice for drone racing enthusiasts and beginners looking for an adrenaline-pumping aerial experience. Car Key Spy Camera. Discreet surveillance in your pocket. The Car Key Spy Camera is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a discreet way to monitor their surroundings. Designed to look like a standard car key, it offers covert surveillance without drawing attention. With a built-in 64 GB internal memory and support for up to a 128 GB TF card, it provides ample storage space without the need for additional purchases. This hidden camera records in crisp 1080p Full HD quality with no visible light indicators, ensuring stealthy operation. Unlike conventional car key cameras that last only 70 minutes, this device boasts an impressive 360-minute battery life. Additionally, it features motion detection, automatically recording 5-minute video clips when movement is detected, saving storage space more efficiently than loop recording, which continuously overwrites old files. At just $49.98, the Car Key Spy Camera is an affordable and effective tool for discreet surveillance, making it a reliable choice for personal security and investigative purposes. Pen Voice Recorder, discreet and functional. The Pen Voice Recorder is a sleek, fully functional writing tool that discreetly records conversations without drawing attention. Designed for business meetings, investigations, or personal note-taking, this elegant pen hides a high-quality voice recorder within its body, making it an ideal tool for professionals who require stealth and reliability. With a simple slide of the pen clip or button press, recording begins instantly, and stopping is just as effortless. The recorded audio is saved onto an SD card and can be played back directly from the pen, eliminating the need for additional devices. Supporting up to 64 GB of storage, it also functions as an MP3 player. Its 12-hour battery life ensures long recording sessions, making it highly reliable. Whether for covert operations, journalism, or business documentation, this discreet recorder provides efficiency and privacy. Available for $37 on Amazon, the Pen Voice Recorder is an essential multifunctional tool for modern professionals. Button Spy Camera. Discreet and high-quality video capture. The Button Spy Camera, priced at $45, offers a stealthy and effective way to record video without drawing attention. Designed to mimic a regular shirt button, it provides covert filming with a 1080p resolution at 30 fps, ensuring clear and detailed footage. While the camera does not record audio, it supports RTSP functionality, allowing users to stream live video on platforms like YouTube Live. However, it's not compatible with video calls. Using the camera is simple. Just plug it into a Type-C Android smartphone, open the USB camera app, and start recording. It also supports photo capture, with files stored directly in the smartphone's internal memory for quick and easy access. Compact and easy to use, the Button Spy Camera is a practical solution for anyone in need of discrete recording capabilities, making it ideal for personal security, investigations, or professional surveillance. Ray-Ban Stories Sunglasses. Ray-Ban Stories. Stylish sunglasses with video recording. The Ray-Ban Stories sunglasses combine cutting-edge technology with classic fashion to deliver a discreet and stylish recording experience. Designed for those who want to capture moments hands-free, these smart glasses feature two 5-megapixel cameras embedded in the frame, allowing you to record high-quality videos and images while blending seamlessly into everyday life. These high-tech shades also come equipped with built-in speakers and microphones, enabling you to listen to music, take calls, or even communicate hands-free. Videos and photos are saved directly to your phone, making sharing effortless. Whether you're documenting your travels, capturing real-time events, or just enjoying wearable tech, Ray-Ban Stories provide a perfect balance of functionality and fashion. Ideal for tech enthusiasts, content creators, and style-conscious individuals, these smart sunglasses redefine wearable technology. If you're looking for a sleek, innovative way to record and stay connected, Ray-Ban Stories are an essential addition to your collection.